Hi, I'm Gerard and I'd like to introduce the Level 8 Diploma in Intelligent Manufacturing Industry 5.0. This diploma offers an opportunity for participants to reflect on what the future of manufacturing in Ireland may be. If you're drawn to questions like, what will manufacturing industry be like in 10 years' time, this may well be the programme for you. Many people in industry are already focused on the potential impact of artificial intelligence in manufacturing. According to a recent report by IBEC, between 40% and 50% of companies in Ireland now regard AI as a priority and intend to adopt some form of artificial intelligence in the near future. In considering this diploma on Intelligent Manufacturing Industry 5.0, we should answer two questions. What do we mean by intelligent manufacturing? And secondly, what is Industry 5.0? We'll start by explaining Industry 5.0 first. Industry 5.0 is said to be the fifth industrial revolution. This revolution is on a par with the first industrial revolution based on steam engines and mechanisation. The second was based on electrification. The third was based on electronics. The fourth revolution, known as Industry 4.0, was based on the integration of automated connectivity between physical objects and systems across the globe using the internet. The term Industry 5.0 refers specifically to people working alongside robots and smart machines. It's about robots helping humans to work better and faster by leveraging advanced technologies like the Internet of Things and big data. This adds a very important personal human touch or social dimension to the concepts of automation and efficiency that's been progressed in Industry 4.0. Intelligent manufacturing encompasses the ability for systems to make decisions while adapting to new situations and new process information. This Level 8 programme will do three things. It'll help you undertake a foresight exercise relevant to your workplace. It'll help you identify the importance of harvesting, storing, visualising and responsibly using data to make decisions. It will help you to identify how such data can be used to make decisions in a transparent and an explainable way using different AI models. The diploma is not about developing or programming AI models, it's about the bigger picture. It's about understanding where they can be applied most effectively. The Diploma in Intelligent Manufacturing Industry 5.0 is available at Level 8 or at Level 9 through the PG Cert in Key Enabling Technologies. Thank you.